Hi. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this nude, marbly, shimmery nail. Y'all comment down below, what is she giving? I can't think of exactly what it is, but it's giving. Okay, so I'm going to go in with 2 coats of this gel polish from Beetles. And it's really pretty nude, transparent color. And this nail is not prepped just because I was just doing this for a tutorial. But if you are making these for clients, please prep your nails and check out one of my videos up here if you want to see how I prep my nails for when I'm making them for clients or myself. This color is so pretty and perfect. It's just like a really nice nude color, and it kind of gives that acrylic effect because it's transparent, but it's just a really nice nude. And again, it's linked in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. And as usual, I got my handy dandy bottle top and my handy dandy D&D French tip polish. So I'm just gonna put that on the bottle top so I can go in with the line work. Now I have a base gel. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the base gel to the nail, and I'm going to load up my brush with this white gel polish, and I'm just gonna apply it in like a squiggly line going from one side to the other. And the base gel is just going to allow it to spread, and the placement is totally up to you. But yeah, it's really simple. Just don't think about it. Just apply some white polish in like a little squiggly line, and there you go. I didn't even think about it. Boom, bam, boom. Super easy. So we're going to cure that, and that is what it looks like after it's been cured. And now I'm going to go back in with that Beetles gel polish that I used as the base, and we're going to go over it, and that's going to give it its first little layered effect. Okay, so after I've cured that, I'm going to do the exact same thing again. Apply some base gel and go over those like those same little lines again that I made. I'm kind of going over them, but kind of not, just like sort of off, because I don't want to cover up what I just did, but I want you to see the work that's under it. So this is just kind of accentuating it, but still keeping up with that same design, like lines, if that makes sense. But y'all see what I'm doing. And that is it for that simple marble design look. Now I'm going to go ahead and outline it using this color from D&D. It's called Champagne Sparkle. And again, another handy dandy bottle cap. One of these days I'm going to get one of those little polish palettes. I am, but I'm in no rush because I got a ton of bottle caps. So I'm just going to load up my brush again with this color, and I'm just going to outline the entire nail tip. And this doesn't have to be perfect because I was kind of going for like a a stone look, like a stone, marble, crystal effect. And those aren't perfect, so I didn't want this line work to be perfect. I kind of wanted it to be a little squiggly, squaggly, but still outlining the entire nail. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cure that and then show you guys two different finishes. So I could not decide which one I wanted. So this is the clear top coat, well, the glossy top coat, and then the one on the right is the matte top coat. Comment down below which one you like better, because I really couldn't decide, but I did end up finishing them all with the shiny top coat, and this is my finished design, and it's available on my website if you would like to purchase these nails. But I really hope you guys learned another simple, quick, but beautiful nail art design, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.